I live in the Northeast and have a lawn with white clover. I like the look of clover when it is green, but not the white flowers. I've heard there is a green clover with no flowers. What is its name and where can I find it? My local nursery cannot help me. And this is Anthony from Hempstead, New York. Well, Anthony, guess what? Peter has our answer for us.
Yes, so there is a microclover, is what it's called. It's called microclover.
Okay.
The Latin name is Trifolium repens or repens.
All right, okay. There you go.
And it actually doesn't grow in a clump like regular clover does. It tends to more spread out. So it works really good for greening up your lawn and kind of being there between the grass.
Okay.
The actual clover leaves are smaller than what you usually think of as clover. And for the most part, it doesn't bloom. I said it also handles mowing very well. For the most part, it doesn't bloom, but there's going to be some blooms on the clover at some point during the year because all plants want to reproduce.
Sure.
And so, but what you can do is you can just mow them. You can just mow it when it's blooming, and that helps to reduce the number of blooms you have. So you won't have, you won't have the big white or pink blooms on clover,
Right.
like we think of for clover. It'll be smaller white blooms, but it will still bloom. And two of the recommended cultivars for it are Pirouette and Pipolinia. So, or it might be Pipolinia. But those are the two recommended cultivars for doing that, but it's really good for filling in, especially if you have thin grass, things like that. Also, since it can handle mowing and it grows a little shorter, it doesn't outcompete your grass.
That's good. That's good information. Appreciate that, Peter. That's real good. And I would like to say this, Anthony, check with your local extension office. They may have some, different cultivars as well, for you to choose from. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.